All right. Okay, I mean, Nazis. I mean, this is crazy. Nazis are supporting Kanye for president in 2024, and really, when you think about the things going on, it's not really that much of a shocker, is it? First in this video, I'm gonna give you brand new industry information. Then I'm gonna tell you how you can use and apply these diamonds and lessons for your music career, for yourself, for artists you manage, or friends who are music artists. This is for everybody. I'm Rob Level, this is Smart Rapper, and you're about to get smarter. Now, real recent, a 63-year-old man was attacked in a hate crime against Jewish people in New York, right? Police are still looking for this guy. I don't know if they're gonna find him. So this guy hits an elderly man in the back of the head while screaming Kanye 2024 and making anti-Semitic comments.
Lord Jesus.
This isn't funny. I think the fact that somebody would even do this is funny. That guy's funny, not the circumstance. To be very clear, this is not really a laughing matter. I just think this guy's an idiot. In addition to this, I can't believe Kanye, what you doing, bro? What you doing, bro? You fucked it all of it. He was named Anti-Semite of the Year by a watchdog group called Stop Anti-Semitism, all right? Now, there are some lessons for your music career that you can learn from this. These are the diamonds, okay? Both good and bad, believe it or not, okay? Number one, the first lesson is things you do and say that take a side in any way. Wasn't supposed to rhyme like that. Be it religion, politics, beliefs, they're gonna make people take sides with you and support you. I mean, really, think about it. The person who hates Jewish people most likely is Nazi. But Nazis also don't like black people. Yet, because of a false union of beliefs and being on the same page, it's not even the same page because dude's so stupid he's not paying attention. The person's actually screaming Kanye for 2024.
Ain't no fucking way, boy.
Now, this situation is obviously bad, but what you can learn from it is that when people have strong beliefs, they will come to your side even if they don't necessarily like you, okay? So think about this. Think about how many fans Nipsey Hussle gained when he made the F Donald Trump song, okay? People who had never heard of him became fans, super fans, and it was all because people agreed with what he was saying, okay? The message. They took sides. Even people who didn't listen to hip hop were converted over to that song. Think about it, okay? So the lesson, take this, right? Write this down. By taking a side, you show you support a group of people's opinions, and those opinions will gain you fans by people that share that same opinion because they already see a middle ground and reason to like you. Oh, this person thinks like me.
I just told you.
Think about how you can use this knowledge to gain fans. What opinion do you strongly believe in or share that you can use to start getting fans with? Just think, like, what do you like I would beat up somebody over this. You know, on the other end, I do need you to know that while you gain a group of supporters, you also alienate and go against another group who has, you know, opposing opinions, right? But at the same time, who cares, right? If you believe it and you're passionate, say it. Okay? Not everyone's gonna like you anyway.
Exactly.
The sooner you understand that you have a certain target group of fans for yourself, the faster you're gonna grow, okay? Not everybody's gonna like, I want everybody to like me. Then I started realizing as I go, like, no, doesn't matter how nice you are. Some people just don't like people, okay? That's just how it is. So take a side with something that you're passionate about, all right? It's gonna help you gain fans. That's the lesson from today's video. Thanks, Kanye. Now look, make sure to check out my music, links are below. I just got my sixth Spotify plaque. I'll play first a song for you at the end here, but I want to let you know this. Don't forget that I have over 100 masterclasses for anywhere that you are in your music career. Wherever you are, right now, I can help you get where you want to be faster than anyone else, all right? Point blank, I mean, like, who? Name the person. Like, you can check them out by going to smartrapper.com/programs, or it's gonna be in the description and in the top comment. I'm Rob Level. This is Smart Rapper. You just got a little bit smarter. Keep hustling, gang, and I'll see you at the top. Check out my music, bitch.
Like abortion, I ain't kidding.
Woo,
Just
woo.
kidding.
Woo,
Just kidding.
woo,
Right? That ain't hard. Just kidding.
woo,
That ain't hard. That ain't hard. Just kidding. Right? That ain't hard. That ain't hard. Just kidding. On the road to nowhere, shit get deep.